Okay, so this is the latest little program I'm trying to work out for my little game. And I want the ability for people to use their mobile devices to communicate with each other without the need for an internet connection. You don't need internet, you don't need a cell phone connection to your mobile provider, you don't need a Wi Fi connection or whatnot. All this does is it creates an audio signal on one device and uses the microphone to listen to that signal on another device and identify the data coming across. And right now, I have something very simple and very slow. I'm just trying to send one letter from one device to another device. Right now, it's all in on one device in my browser, but I am able to use the microphone. And you can see it's generating a waveform based on the way that I'm speaking, and it's already trying to identify some of the bits on two particular frequencies that it identifies as the high signal and low signal to create the bits. So let's actually go ahead and try and create a signal. So I'll get rid of these, and I'm going to be quiet for a bit. All right, that's horrible. So it's receiving something. And usually I get this doing pretty well. So it's usually that it adds a number to the beginning of my value and a number to the end that shouldn't be there, but it's mostly good. So let's look at this. It missed a bit here as well. Uh, I can send different bits. There's an extra bit there, and there's an extra bit at the end. So I'm getting somewhere. I'm not there yet, but I am making progress. I am able to see something come across and get something very close to what the signal needs to be. Part of the issue is how long I wait or how many samples I take to determine if it's a 1 or a 0. Right now, we're using about 25 samples, I believe, to come up with that. It's right now, each bit travels at 400 milliseconds, which I think is like two bytes per second. No, one and a half bytes per second, something like that. Um, my first computer saved to an audio cassette drive or tape. It had an audio cassette drive that saved to an audio cassette tape, and that was 600 bits per second. So that would be 75 bytes per second. So I'm a long way off from getting uh, the kind of transfer speeds that at the time seemed blazingly slow, and I can't even achieve that. So I'm getting something. I need something faster. All right, I'm gonna end with that.